Now again, let us go to coordinate geometry to find area of triangle. Now to find area of triangle, you know the formula. What is the formula you are generally using? Half into base into height. Now here, if you know the coordinates of all three vertices of the triangle, suppose this is A, what are the coordinates given? 2, 3, B, minus 1, 0, and C, 2, minus 4. If you know the coordinates of all three vertices of the triangle, then also you can find the area of the triangle. Now what is the formula given? Now I shall give you A x1 y1 B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are coordinates of vertices of the triangle, then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, now this is the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Now suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is what? x3 y3, isn't it? Then plus, now here x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, now y2 minus y3, now you start from here, y3 minus, after y3 who will come? y1, see here, y1, y2, y3. So first y2 minus y3, then y3 minus y1, then y1 minus y2, like that will come. And plus, now see here x1 over plus x2, now what remaining? Third x coordinate, x3 into, now here y3 minus y1, now you start from y1, y1 minus, after y1 who come? y2. So this is the formula to find the area of triangle. If you know if you know the coordinates of all three vertices of the triangle. So again I shall repeat the formula, half into x1, y2 minus y3. So you take x coordinate of this and then difference of y coordinate of second and third vertex. Then plus x2 from here. Then difference of y coordinate of second, third point and first point. Then you come here x3. Then difference of y coordinate of first point and first vertex and second vertex. Okay. Now let us go to solve this problem. Okay. So now we know all the coordinates of the three vertices. So what is the formula? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, start from here, y3 minus y1, then plus x3, start from here, y1 minus y2. Now let us go for substitution. Half. So x1 is 2 into y2 minus y3. So y2 is 0 and y3 already minus 4. So minus y3 means it will be plus. Then x2 means how much? Minus 1. Minus 1. Into now y3 minus y1. y3 means minus 4. And this is y1 means 3. So minus 3. So x1, x2. Now x3. What is x3? Plus 2. Now y1 minus y3. So 3 minus 0. So this is our substitution. Now we have to simplify this. Half into 2. 0 plus 4, 4. Minus 1, you get this first. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Plus 2, 3 minus 4. So that is half into 2 4 are 8. Minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7 plus 6. That is half into 7 and 8, 15 plus 6, 21. So half into 21, 2 1 are 10.5 square units. You have to write square units, area of the triangle. Okay. So this is how you have to find the area of triangle. If you know the coordinates of vertices of the triangle, then I shall give you one more example. Then find the area of triangle ABC if A minus 5 minus 1, B 3 minus 5 and C 5 2. Okay. If you want, you can draw the figure, or I shall write this is what x1 y1. This coordinate x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. And now formula for area of triangle. A, B, C. Half. First x1 into difference of y coordinate of second point and third one. So that is y2 minus y3 plus after x1 x2. Now y3 first. y3 after y3 we will come y1. So this is already minus. So that is, so y3 means how much here? It is 2. Sorry, I am writing formula now. So x2 into now y3 minus y1 and plus x3 now. Now what will come? Start from here. y1 after 1 come, it becomes after 1 it is 2, so it is y2. So y1 minus y2. So this is substitution. Now formula half x1 means minus 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 means minus 5 minus y3 means 2, so minus 2 plus x is 2, so plus 3 into y3, how much? 2 minus y1. y1 is minus 1 means it becomes plus 1, minus minus 1 plus 1. Plus now x3, how much? 5 into y1 means minus 1 minus y2. So this is already minus 5, so that will become plus 5. So this is our substitution. See, minus 5, then y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 means plus 3, y3 minus y1. So y1 is already minus, so that will become plus x3 5, and then y1 minus y2. So minus 1, this is minus, so that will become plus. So now we have to simplify. Half minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4. That is half into 35 plus 9 plus 20. Half into now 35 plus 20, 35, 45, 55 plus 9, 55, 65, 64. So that is 2, 3, 2. So 32 square units. So this is how area is calculated if the coordinates of vertices of the triangles are known. Okay. Then I shall give you one more example. find the value of k. For which 7 minus 2, 5, 1 and 3k are collinear. Find the value of k for which these three coordinates. Now coordinates means they are related with 3 points, isn't it? Means we have to show that the 3 points which has got these coordinates are collinear, isn't it? For which you can add here, for which the points 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3k are collinear. Now if 3 points are collinear, now see here, A, B and C. Collinear means what? They lie on same segment or they lie on same line. If it is line, the point lying on the same line, they are called collinear. And if the 3 point lies on same line, if you join them, you get a figure of segment. You can't get here after joining them a triangle. Suppose the 3 points are non-collinear. See A, B somewhere here, you get the triangle. So if 3 points are collinear, they do not form the triangle, means area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is always 0. No triangle means no area. So that principle we have to use here. Now suppose, what we have to, suppose this is coordinate x1, y1, this is x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. Suppose these 3 coordinates from, they are collinear, means they are not forming triangle, means the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points will be how much? Will be 0. No triangle means area 0. So we have to use same formula, that is formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now before that there is no naming to this coordinate. So let us try. Let A 7 minus 2, B 5, 1 and C 3k. So therefore, now area of triangle ABC, our formula is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is our formula. Now let us find the area. If you want to find the area of the triangle formed by these 3 coordinates, it will be half. x1 means how much now? 7 into y2 minus y3 means y2 means 1 minus k plus x2 means 5. x2 5. Now y3 minus y1. So y3 is k minus y1. y1 minus 2. So that will become plus 2. Plus x3 means how much? 3 into y1 minus y2. So y1 is minus 2 and y2 is 1 means it is minus 1. So this will be the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points. But if these 3 points are collinear, they do not form triangle, means area of the triangle how much? The area. This answer will be 0 because they are collinear. So here directly we have to take 0. Answer of they are collinear that is given means the area of triangle is 0. That is indirectly given to us. So now this upon 2 will come here. So 2 into 0. So 0 is equal to, now you have to simplify this. 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into, you can add this, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 0 is equal to, now 7 into 1 minus k. So you have to leave that identity, a into b plus c. How you solve? A into b plus a into c. So like that. So 7 1 plus 7, 7 into minus k minus 7k. Plus 5 into k, 5k, plus 5 to 10, plus 3 into 3, minus 9. So 0 is equal to. Now see, this 7, this 10 and this minus 10 and 9, they are integers, isn't it? So we have to add them. 10 minus 1, 9, 1. 1 in this 7 means 8. Minus 7 plus 5. These are like terms, we can add them. Minus 7k plus 5k means minus 2k. Now we are finding what? Value of k. So what you will do? So this, now here there is number 0, here there is number 8. From 8 you cannot subtract to k. So let us bring this number to number. So 0 minus 8 should be equal to what? Minus 2k. So 0 minus 8 means minus 8 is equal to minus 2k. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2k means 2 into k. Now we want to find k. K is equal to 8 by 2 or 4 is equal to k. So this is how the value of unknown coordinate is obtained. Okay.